In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access clock and select this clock icon over here. After that, tap on this plus icon and set up an hour. Following that, you need to click on repeat and select one of those options. Only daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go for custom, so now I can set up days of the week manually and save them by choosing OK. Now click on the switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to enable or disable vibrations and click on label. Label your alarm however you want to, tap on OK, and finally choose ringtone. Now you can pick one of those melodies. I will go with Daydream and go back. But you can also select ringtone, tap on all ringtones. Select one of those by choosing Apply next to the chosen one and click on OK, or tap on Choose Local Ringtone. Tap on one of those sources like File Manager, scroll down, choose Agree and Continue, and select Song from your smartphone after choosing Allow. So now when I click on it, I need to select this checkmark at the bottom and choose Apply next to my song. Then click on OK and go back again. Choose Allow one more time, go back and save your alarm by choosing this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it, then select one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select the delete icon at the bottom, and in order to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose settings, and adjust all of them however you wish to, like ringtone volume. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!